Dogs, our loyal companions, protectors, and friends. From the rolling hills where sheep graze to the bustling city streets, certain breeds have earned a reputation for their remarkable intelligence. Let's meet these brainiacs of the dog world and uncover the secrets behind their extraordinary minds. In the rugged highlands of Scotland, where sheep outnumber people, the Border Collie reigns supreme. This breed, with its piercing gaze and boundless energy, is not just a herder of sheep, but a master of strategy. Watch as a Border Collie effortlessly maneuvers a flock of sheep through a narrow gate, its every movement a testament to generations of breeding for intelligence and instinct. Whether it's herding livestock or excelling in dog sports like agility and obedience, these dogs love a challenge. Their intelligence is matched by an eagerness to please, making them some of the most trainable dogs on the planet. A bored Border Collie is a recipe for mischief, so keeping their minds engaged is key. This remarkable breed teaches us that intelligence in the animal kingdom goes far beyond mere instinct. Often associated with elegance and grace, the poodle is a breed that defies expectations. Beneath their perfectly coiffed exterior lies a sharp mind and an eagerness to learn that rivals any scholar. Whether it's performing tricks, excelling in obedience training, or even working as service dogs, poodles are incredibly adaptable and eager to please. Their hypoallergenic coats, a boon for allergy sufferers, only add to their appeal. This combination of beauty and brains makes the poodle a true standout in the canine world. With their striking appearance and unwavering loyalty, German Shepherds have earned their place as one of the most recognizable and respected breeds in the world. Their intelligence is undeniable, evident in their ability to learn complex commands and adapt to a variety of roles. German Shepherds are not only intelligent, but highly trainable. From assisting law enforcement to providing invaluable support as guide dogs, German Shepherds demonstrate the profound impact intelligence can have when paired with unwavering dedication. Their ability to seamlessly transition between work and family life is a testament to their balanced nature and adaptability. With their sunny disposition and heartwarming smiles, Golden Retrievers have captured the hearts of dog lovers worldwide. But beyond their undeniable charm lies a sharp mind and a natural ability to learn that makes them exceptional working dogs and beloved family companions. Whether it's their keen sense of smell used in search and rescue missions, or their gentle nature that makes them ideal therapy dogs, Golden Retrievers consistently demonstrate the power of intelligence combined with empathy. Their loyalty knows no bounds, and their ability to bring comfort and joy to those around them is a testament to their exceptional emotional intelligence. The Border Terrier, a small dog with a big personality, hails from the rugged border country between England and Scotland. These tenacious and energetic dogs were originally bred to control fox populations, a task that required intelligence, courage, and a good deal of problem-solving skills. Despite their size, Border Terriers are brave and adaptable, always eager to take on a new challenge. Their intelligence is evident in their ability to navigate challenging terrain, track scents, and outwit their quarry. The Border Terrier reminds us that intelligence comes in all shapes and sizes, and sometimes the smallest packages hold the biggest surprises. In a world obsessed with pedigree, it's easy to overlook the unique brilliance of mixed-breed dogs. Mixed breeds tend to have unique personalities and an unmatched ability to learn and adapt to various environments, often thriving in multiple roles from therapy work to rescue missions. Free from the constraints of strict breed standards, mixed breeds often exhibit a remarkable resilience and adaptability that allows them to excel in a variety of situations. Their intelligence is often a unique blend of their parentage, resulting in dogs with remarkable problem-solving abilities and a knack for understanding human emotions. They are living proof that intelligence is not defined by breed, but rather by the individual spirit of each dog. From Border Collies to Golden Retrievers, each of these super-intelligent dogs has their own special qualities and unique personality traits. Whether it's solving complex problems, learning new tricks, or just being our loyal companions, these dogs show us the incredible range of intelligence in the canine world. As we've seen, canine intelligence comes in many forms, from the herding instincts of the Border Collie to the problem-solving skills of the mixed breed. Thanks for watching, and click like and subscribe if you enjoy this video, and comment below with your favorite intelligent dog breed.